welcome back to my channel. So today I just thought I would do a little video of just a day in my life, weekend edition. So I just woke up probably an hour or so ago, and I just kind of hung out in bed and just kind of relaxed and just watched some TikTok and that kind of stuff. So yeah, so I'm gonna do, as you just saw, I did some skincare, and I'm just gonna take some ordinary, this is the Buffet Multi-Technology Peptide Serum, and I'm just gonna put a little bit on my hands here and just put it on my face. And then I'm just gonna take my little stones here, this little thing and this, and I just got these off of Amazon. And what you do is, it's called a, I think it's called a lymphatic massage, and you just kind of move that up. And it's supposed to help with your face. So I just do this, and the goal is just to move it up. This. But yeah, so today I'm just going to kind of hang out by the house, at the house, and then I have a ringette game this afternoon. So, and it's about 45 minutes away, so I have to go and do that. I have a ringette game, so I thought I would film this video this morning. I'm gonna make some baked oats in a little bit. I got like the recipe from TikTok, and I'm just gonna take this ordinary caffeine solution, 5%, reduces the appearance of eye contour pigmentation. So I'm just gonna put a little bit just on my finger. I love the ordinary stuff. I only use it probably like once or twice a week, just because I find I try not to use a ton of oils. And then I just take the smaller end of my jade roller and I just roll it in. But yeah, so I am going to make some baked oats here in a little bit, and then I'm probably going to edit my video. I might go for a walk. It seems like it's really nice outside. So I might go for a little walk, and then I have to go to ringette. And then after ringette, I'm probably gonna edit this video and just kind of relax and get ready for the day. But yesterday I did like most of my, what I call my Sunday chores. So I went grocery shopping, and I also like did all my laundry for the week and like put everything away, cleaned my room, cleaned my office, cleaned the basement. So that's normally what I do on Sunday, so I just got it done a day early, which was nice. But yeah, that's kind of all I'm gonna do today. It's gonna be a relaxing day, but a good day. So yeah, that's what I do with this. And the jade roller, I just keep it, because I live in the basement, it's kind of chilly down here, so it just kind of gets cool, and it literally feels so nice on the skin. But yeah, I don't know if I've noticed like a big difference with like my face, but I don't know, it feels nice and apparently it works. I don't know, I feel like a little bit of difference like right here along my jawline, because I use this, I think it's called is it a Gaia? I think it's a Gaia, but I don't know exactly what it's called, but it has like the groove, so you just like put that right here, which is why I use it with the serums, so it glides better along my face. But I notice a little bit of difference right here, but other than that, I don't really know if there's much of a difference. But anyway, I feel good about it, and it feels nice on my skin. So I just put my skincare away, and I'm just gonna do a little bit of makeup, just a little bit of under eye concealer, and I've kind of had a little bit of a breakout, so I'm just gonna put a little bit of concealer over those. But I'm going to play ringette in a little bit, so I don't want to get that ready to go. So I'm just gonna wet my beauty blender. I have a gnarly bruise on my arm. You can't really see it in the video, but it's like right here. I was playing ringette the other day, and I got hit with a stick, and it like didn't hurt that bad. I didn't notice until after I took off my elbow pads, and I was like, oh my goodness, it was like big, like it looked like a big bump. Anyway, it's turning into a nice green bruise right now. Just gonna put a little bit of, like always, the CoverGirl Matte True Blend Undercover Concealer, and I just do right here, a little bit of the inner corner, right here, and then I'm just gonna put a little bit on my chin, and just right here. But yeah, I try to use a very minimal concealer, and then all you do is just blend up. You guys know the drill. I was going to film a part 2 of my cleaning series today, just with like my other stuff, because I did part 1 and that did really well on my channel. I think people are just searching for cleaning videos, but I was gonna do part 2 and do all my clothes in the basement, like in my room downstairs, and then do upstairs, but I don't know if I'll have time for that today to like film and upload it, but I might film it tomorrow or maybe this afternoon. Maybe I'll film it this afternoon and upload it for Wednesday's upload. I try to upload every Sunday and every Wednesday. Those are just the days that work best for me. Let me know. I love watching cleaning videos because it inspires me and it keeps me accountable to keep my house or my room clean. I love watching them and they're awesome. I haven't worn makeup in a few days, so it's kind of nice to put makeup on again. But I was just using, like always, my Shiseido foundation. This is the Synchro Skin Self-Refreshing Foundation Oil-Free. This is my favorite foundation. It's literally the best. I'm just going to take a little bit of eyeshadow in the color Kitten. This is from Stila. It's great. It's probably my favorite eyeshadow color. Just going to put a little bit, just a little. I use it as a highlight too. It's kind of an all-in-one. I just put a little bit on my nose. A little bit on my, right here, what's that called? Cheekbone, top of my cheekbone. Just put a little bit there, and a little bit above your lip. And you call that a day. I'm gonna put some mascara on, and I think just a little bit of bronzer. This is the Essence Lash Princess. Nothing really changes in my makeup, because I kind of found a makeup that I like to use. Perfect. And I think I'm just gonna brush out my eyebrows. Perfect. I'm gonna do a little bronzer. This is the Smashbox palette. And I just mix like the 2 brown colors together. Just with like a little bronzer brush. And I find this one is like really pigmented, so I always like brush it on my hand to get the excess off, and then you just do swiping motions up. Okay, this is more intense than I thought it was gonna be, but oh well. There we go. And if it's just a little tip, if you put on your bronzer a little bit too dark, just take a little bit of powder on like a big fluffy brush and just wipe it like down below it to make it like have more definition. That just works better in my opinion. And if it's just a little bit too harsh, just take the brush and just kind of work it into your cheeks a little bit more. And I find that takes away like the harshness of it. But yeah, so I'm just gonna put all this stuff away, and then I'm gonna head upstairs and I am going to make some baked oats, but I'll show you how I make those, and I'll do that for you because they're so good. I made them yesterday for the first time and they were amazing. So I got, when I was at the grocery store yesterday, I got some more ingredients to like make them more fun. So I think today I'm gonna add some dark chocolate chips to it and blueberries just to like make it more fun. So
another broken plate, another called off date. We never seem to get it right. Another heart attack, words that we can't take back. We are the reason opposites attract. Once you slam the door on the second floor, I regret it all. When I think it through, I can't help the way I feel for you. You make me lose my mind like all the time. It still feels right.
okay, so now I'm gonna make baked oats. So what you do is you take half a banana, and I just have a blender cup because you have to blend it all together. So you just take a half of a banana, put it in there, and then you're supposed to take 2/3 of a cup of oats. I'm not really gonna measure it out because I made them yesterday, so I know what it looks like. Okay, so I'm going to be making chocolate oatmeal today, and then you would just add a little bit of baking powder, I don't really measure anything because I'm just a good cook. So I'm gonna add a little bit of cocoa powder, just a little smidge, just about that much. And then I'm gonna add a little bit of vanilla, just like half a cupful. And then I'm going to add a little bit of cinnamon. And then I'm gonna add some protein. This is optional, but I like to add it. And I just do 1 scoop of that. And then I just add some almond milk. And I just add some almond milk. And then I just put the top on it and I blend it. And then after, I'm going to add some dark chocolate chips to it, mix it around, and then I'm putting it in the oven for 30 minutes. And then it cooks, and it almost looks like a cake, but it's oatmeal. So yeah, that's kind of what it looks like when it's all like that. But my camera's dying, so I'll show you after. Okay, so the oatmeal just came out of the oven. Oh, it's like really steamy. It's kind of hard to see, but this is what it looks like. It's so good. This one is more like, it's really good. Even if you don't like oatmeal, you would really like this because it's like, because you blend the oats and like the banana, it's like really hot. Because you like blend the oats and the banana and the protein and everything, it's so smooth and like the texture is not weird. So if you like want the same like protein and fiber and stuff of oats, like this is like so good. And like there's really nothing in it that's that bad. I just put a few dark chocolate chips in it. I mean, you could just omit those if you didn't want them. Oh darn, I forgot to put the blueberries. I was gonna put blueberries in it too. You could always like put fruit and stuff on the top if you wanted to, but I think this is really good and it's very sweet. Like if you like a sweet breakfast, this is definitely really good and you should try it. It literally tastes like almost like cookie dough, kind of. It's really good. There's a lot of chocolate in it, but it's good. And the recipe that I made has kind of like 2 batches. So I made one for me and then my mom said she would have the other half. But if you wanted to do just like 1 portion, just half the recipe that I kind of showed you. But it's very easy, very minimal cleanup. Like all you have to do is clean the blender cup. The one thing that I would say to do that I haven't done is spray the container with like Pam or something, or use like parchment paper and put it in there because it is kind of a pain to clean. If you cook oatmeal a lot, you know it's really hard to clean the bowl after, just the way oats are. But yeah, it's really, really good. I love the dark chocolate chips in it. Yesterday I didn't have those, but today I added them and they're so good. And it's really customizable. As you saw, I didn't really measure anything. So I would say this is a really great breakfast, and thank you TikTok for putting me onto this. It's so good. I was kind of getting a little sick of smoothies, so I'm glad I could like switch it up but still have like a pretty healthy breakfast with like lots of fiber and protein and all that kind of stuff. So yeah, I think I'm gonna do this from now on. I love it, it's so good. But yeah, so I hope you liked today's video. It was kind of a little mishmash, a little bit of skincare, a little makeup, coffee, making oatmeal. So I hope you liked it, and I will see you in my next video, which is going to be a cleaning video. I'm saying it now, so I'll clean the rest of my room and clean out the rest of my closets and stuff because I really need to do that. But thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye!